Hello friends, I welcome you in my YouTube channel Health Tips. I am your friend Dr. Ali Anwar Qureshi, and today we will discuss nebulizer machine for steam inhalation for asthmatic and pediatric patient for rhinitis. As you seeing, this is a nebulizer machine of InstaPro, a Japan Technique machine. This is a wire for electrical current supply, as you are seeing it, and this is a connector for the mask and the nebulizer machine to give the steam inhalation via current, and the second connector of the tube will be attached to the container of the nebulizer machine. This is the mask for the nebulizer machine. So friends, this nebulization machine is used in asthmatic patient for relieve the breathlessness, and in the pediatric patient also for rhinitis and cough. This machine is a phenomenal machine. As you know, nebulization is used from ancient days, and nebulization relieves all the coughs, all the bronchoconstriction and inflammation from the chest. And the instrument you've seen is also one type of mask which is given to nebulization to all type of patient, to adult and to the bachus. Mask, a container, tube, nebulizer machine, and on and off button. And this was the electric current. This button, electric current supplied attached to the electricity, and you have to just open and start the button. Just subscribe to this my channel. Thank you very much.